Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on SeatGeek. If you don't have an SeatGeek account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website then click Login. Now, select either to instantly log in with your email, or use a password. Once you're logged in, you will see an avatar icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the avatar icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on My Account. Under Accounts, you will see several tabs. Click on Payments and Shipping. On this page, you will see an option for Add Credit Card. Click on Add Credit Card. On the pop-up window, enter your credit card information. First, enter your card number. Then select the expiration month and year. After that, enter the CVV. Lastly, enter all the necessary information about the billing address. After entering all the necessary information, click on Save. That's how you add a payment method on SeatGeek. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.